Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, and evening to Mr. Otto. Today I'm going to make a presentation about parts of speech and diagram. Parts of speech are the basic categories of word according to their function in a sentence. In other words, they show how words are used, whether they name something, describe something, show action, or connect ideas. Why is it important? One, they help us understand sentence structure. Each part of speech has a specific role in a sentence. Noun name things, verbs show action, adjectives describe nouns, adverbs describe actions or other modifiers. Second, they improve grammar and writing. Understanding parts of speech helps you write grammatically correct sentences, use varied sentence structures, and avoid common mistakes like mixing up adjectives and adverbs. Third is they aid in learning new languages. When you know parts of speech in your own language, it is easier to learn them in another. You can identify patterns, similarities, and word functions. Fourth, they help with reading comprehension. Recognizing parts of speech helps you understand the meaning and relationships between words. Identify subjects, actions, and descriptions in complex sentences. Fifth, they build vocabulary and word formation skills. Knowing parts of speech helps you see how words change form. Happy becomes happiness, quick becomes quickly. This makes vocabulary learning and word building much easier. The last is they are the foundation of linguistic analysis. For linguists and language learners, parts of speech are the starting point for studying syntax, morphology, and semantics. All parts of speech. There are 8 main parts of speech in English. One is noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are often described as naming words and can be concrete objects, abstract concepts like feelings or theories, or specific names of people and places. Example: dog, city, happiness. Two is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition, such as he, she, it, and they. Function similarly to nouns and can be used as the subject or object. In a sentence, pronouns are used to refer to people, places, or things and can be singular or plural. Three is verb. Verb is a word that describes an action, state, or occurrence. Um, Example like run, write. Verbs indicate what the subject of a sentence is doing or experiencing, and they have different tenses such as present, past, and future. Four is adjective. Adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun, providing more information about its qualities. Example, beautiful, tall, red. Five is adverb. Adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb, providing more information about how, when, where, why, or to what extent an action is performed. For example, quickly, very, silently. Adverbs can also describe adjectives, as in very happy, and other adverbs, as in he spoke extremely slowly. Six is preposition. Preposition is a word that links a noun, pronoun, or phrase to other words in a sentence, showing its relationship in terms of location, direction, time, or manner. For example, in, on, at, with. They are often followed by an object to form a prepositional phrase, which helps glue the sentence together by showing how elements relate to each other. 7 is conjunction. Conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses to form longer sentences. Common examples include and, but, because, which join parts of a sentence to express relationship like addition, contrast, or choice. Last is interjection. Interjection is a word, phrase, or sound that expresses a sudden emotion, reaction, or feeling, such as surprise, joy, anger, or pain. These expressions are grammatically independent of the rest of the sentence and often can stand alone or are set apart by punctuation like an exclamation point or a comma. For examples, oh, wow, hey. The diagram is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The is determiner, quick is adjective, brown is adjective, jumps is verb, over is preposition, the is article, lazy is adjective, dog is noun. Next is syntax tree diagram analysis. The first sentence is the tall boy is reading a novel in the classroom. This determiner, tall is adjective, boy is noun. The tall boy is a noun phrase. Is in auxiliary, reading is a verb. A is determiner, novel is noun. A novel is a noun phrase. In is preposition, this determiner, classroom is noun. The classroom is a noun phrase. In the classroom is a prepositional phrase. Is reading a novel in the classroom is a verb phrase. The tall boy is reading a novel in the classroom is the sentence. Second is the teacher teaches English. This determiner, teacher is noun. The teacher is a noun phrase. Teaches is verb, English is noun. Teaches English is a verb phrase. The teacher teaches English is the sentence. Third is Sarah will visit her grandmother after the final exam. Sarah is noun. Now, Sarah is the noun phrase. Will is auxiliary. Visit is verb. Her is determiner. Grandmother is noun. Her grandmother is a noun phrase. After is preposition. The is determiner. Final is adjective. Exam is noun. The final exam is a noun phrase. After the final exam is a prepositional phrase. Will visit her grandmother after the final exam is a verb phrase. Sarah will visit her grandmother after the final exam is the sentence. Fourth is the man in the black jacket helped the old woman. This determiner man is noun. The man is a noun phrase. In is preposition. This determiner black is adjective, jacket is noun. The black jacket is a noun phrase. In the black jacket is a prepositional phrase. Help is verb. This determiner adjective. Old is adjective. Woman is noun. The old woman is a noun phrase. Help the old woman is a verb phrase. The man in the black jacket helped the old woman is the sentence. Next is they have been studying English for 3 years. They is noun phrase. Have is auxiliary, been is auxiliary, studying is verb, English is noun. Have been studying English is a verb phrase. 4 is prepositional, 3 is number, years is noun. 3 years is a noun phrase. For 3 years is a prepositional phrase. They have been studying English for 3 years is the sentence. Next is the girl plays the guitar. The is determiner, girl is noun. The girl is a noun phrase. Plays is verb. Is determiner, guitar is noun. The guitar is a noun phrase. Plays the guitar is a verb phrase. The girl plays the guitar is the sentence. Next is the students read a book in the library. This determiner, students is noun. The students is a noun phrase. Read is verb. A is determiner, book is noun. A book is a noun phrase. In is prepositional. This determiner, library is noun. The library is a noun phrase. In the library is a prepositional phrase. Read a book in the library is a verb phrase. The students read a book in the library is the sentence. Next is the teacher gave homework to the class. This determiner, teacher is noun. The teacher is a noun phrase. Gave is verb. Homework is the noun phrase. To is prepositional. This determiner, class is noun. The class is a noun phrase. To the class is a prepositional phrase. Gave homework to the class is a verb phrase. The teacher gave homework to the class is the sentence. Next is the dog chased the cat. This determiner, dog is noun. The dog is a noun phrase. Chased is verb. This determiner, cat is noun. The cat is a noun phrase. Chased the cat is a verb phrase. The dog chased the cat is the sentence. Next is my friend bought a new phone yesterday. My is determiner, friend is noun. My friend is a noun phrase. Bought is verb. A is determiner, new is adjective, phone is noun, yesterday is adjective. A new phone yesterday is a noun phrase. Bought a new phone yesterday is the verb phrase. My friend bought a new phone yesterday is the sentence. And that's all for the presentation for today. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for any inconvenience. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.